Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a gold text effect using Canva. So go to apps and go to Magic Morph. There are a few ways to do it. Here I'm just going to select an element, or you can add an example element. I'm just going to add an example element. You can write the text and use any font that you would like. And then describe the look. I'll just type in 3D gold texture. Then I'm going to select Magic Morph and it's going to create a gold text for me. There is another way, but it is a little bit tedious. I suggest you doing this. It's just by blending your images, but you have to kind of like save the image first, and that is a whole different like thing. So I'm just going to select this one, the one that I like, and it's going to be placed into my canvas, and you have a gold text like this. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.